should like overheat after like turns down at his places.
So chainsaw spin like this and then everybody. Now since people have stopped cutting down trees because it's just been winter, I thought since it's like the 13th day of spring, I thought I'd better get rid of some of the trees the old-fashioned way. And we're going to be using a chainsaw, but not any chainsaw, on a roll. And now, just look at the speed of these blades, just like. I mean like this. Wheels on the bus go round and now we're gonna get to chainsaw on a rope. Chainsaw on a rope.
I'll do a bit ready. I'm just gonna have to do that again.
Okay.
It's really like overheat after like turns down at his places.
So chainsaw spin like this and then the last one was interrupted. Lunch time.
She's gonna start shallow. How shallow?
Are we bring closer? We go fast or slow?
You won't run it down.
No. Don't hurry up. A little close. Don't try it at home, kids, or else you could lose a couple body parts. Well, I guess I will have to see you next video.